What's your investment strategy? If you don't have one, stick around because we need to talk about it. Hey everybody, Jeff from Investment Mob here, and today we're going to talk about your investment strategy. Thanks for subscribing. I just got back from Mexico. You'll see a lot more videos coming. Went to Isla Mujeres and Playa del Carmen. Great time. My alcohol was not tainted. Let's get back to the subject. I don't care if you're 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. You need some kind of investment strategy. You need to be able to win. So you can't win unless you define your investment strategy. What's your strategy? Are you going to be a long-term investor? Are you going to be a swing trader? Are you going to be a day trader? So we'll talk about what each one is and what you are. What's your strategy? Let's start with long-term. Long-term trader is someone who holds a stock, doesn't intend on selling it, intends on investing in the company and growing along with that company. I would say a long-term trader is anyone who holds a stock over a year. If you're a long-term trader, you could either buy a stock and hold it for a few years, or you can grow with the company, meaning that you can buy a stock in August, purchase another piece of the company in December, buy a few more shares in April, and that way you take away some of the risk of putting all your money in one shot. So that would be a long-term strategy. So this brings us to our next strategy, which is swing trading. Could you swing trade? Okay, so once you've reached the threshold of money that you feel you can swing trade and take advantage of momentums in a particular stock or an industry, you can start swing trading. How much money is that, Jeff? Well, in general, I would say you need a minimum of $2,000, probably a little more than that. Remember now, swing trading is not for the faint at heart. Swing trading, you need to be on top of your account. Long-term trading, you do not need to be on top of your account as much. But if you take on a swing trading strategy, you need to be looking at your account every day. So, can you be a swing trader? Sure. Just be on top of your account. Long-term strategy, you can buy a stock, not look at the stock for a week, buy more of the stock 2 weeks later, not look at it for a month. You don't need to be on top of your account as much. You have a long-term strategy and you're investing in a company regardless of its cyclical ups and downs. Swing trading, you may buy a stock on a Monday and be out on a Wednesday. But you need to have a little more capital to do that. Let's talk about day trading. Day trading is a little different animal. Day trading, you're going to take advantage of intraday movements. You'll be taking advantage of news that's company specific, and you're going to hold the stock for a few minutes to a few hours. But when day trading, you will be out of the stock by the end of the day. As a matter of fact, you must be out of the stock by the end of the day. Because when day trading, you can't hold your positions overnight. So, not only do you have to be on top of your account all the time when you're in a trade, but when day trading, you also have to meet brokerage firm requirements. And the requirements that the SEC has put on are $25,000 in your account. If you're just starting out, day trading is not for you. More people are going to yell at me again. Oh, Jeff, I saw this place that is an offshore account that I could only open my account with $1,000 and start day trading. Sure. Go ahead. Come back and let's see how you do with that. Okay? If I had to tell you about putting your money in an offshore account and day trading on it to get around regulations placed by brokerage firms and the SEC, I would tell you, don't do it. But there'll be a handful of people out there that dispute that. So, those are the 3 strategies. Pick a strategy. If you don't have enough money in the account, start out with long-term investment until you get your account up until the threshold where you can start swing trading. Maybe you never want to start swing trading. Maybe you always want to be a long-term investor. That's fine too. What strategy resonates with you? What do you want to be? Long-term trader, swing trader, or a day trader? If you're just starting out and you don't have a ton of money, you're probably not going to have a choice on what strategy you're going to be, and I'll explain why. You're probably going to have to be a long-term trader. And you're going to have to be a long-term trader until you build your account up. Here's why. If you're a swing trader or a day trader, your account's going to be eaten up by commissions. I'm going to have people that come at me right now and say, that's not true, I could swing trade penny stocks or I could day trade penny stocks. Okay, good luck with that strategy, and come back to my channel when you have no money, because that's what's going to happen. So if you're just starting out and you have less than $2,000, I would say you're going to have to be a long-term trader, invest in a company that you feel confident about, and continuously feed your account with funds until you get to a money threshold that you could start swing trading or day trading. What strategy, Jeff, do you use? And my strategy is all 3. I have my retirement accounts, my IRAs. My retirement accounts are long-term strategies. You take a long-term stance. And in my personal account, I do both swing trading and day trading. But remember, when day trading, you need to be on top of the trade. From 1 minute to the next, you need to cut your losses or take your gains. We'll talk more about all these strategies coming up. I just want to give you guys a quick video. Think about this. What type of trader are you? I'll see you soon. Jeff from Investment Mob. Enjoy as always. Thanks for watching.